Merry Christmas, Galactic Squad. I wasn't gonna upload today. I was gonna drink eggnog and ignore the void. But I can't. Because while you were wrapping presents, the Simons Observatory just unwrapped the scariest gift in human history. For 100 years, they told us the universe started with the Big Bang. Before that, nothing. Time didn't exist. Lie. The new before Big Bang quantum gravity bounce theory's 2025 data suggests that the Big Bang wasn't a beginning. It was a bounce. We didn't come from nothing. We came from the corpse of a dead universe. And that dead universe, it came from another one. It's an infinite chain of death and rebirth. And the data found scars, literal gravitational bruises left over from the last time reality collapsed. We are not the first, we are not the last, we are just the current iteration. Sit down, cancel dinner, because we are about to look at the ghosts of the universe before ours. Let's get the existential crisis started early. Do you believe you have lived this life before? Yes or no? Comment déjà vu if you feel like you've been here. I'm reading the first 1,000 comments. To understand the before Big Bang quantum gravity bounce theory's 2025 update, we have to look at why the old theory sucks. General relativity says if you rewind the universe, everything gets smaller and hotter until pop. Infinite density, zero size, the singularity. Real talk, physics hates singularities. Infinite doesn't exist in the real world. When math gives you infinity, it means your calculator is broken. Einstein's math breaks down at the Big Bang. It crashes. Enter quantum gravity. The 2025 breakthrough is confirming that space is not smooth. It's pixelated. It's made of atoms of space. This is loop quantum gravity. Imagine space is made of tiny Lego blocks. You can't crush Legos into zero size. You can only crush them until they touch. And when they touch, they don't disappear. They repel. They push back. So when the previous universe collapsed, it didn't hit zero, it hit the quantum limit. And then, boing, it repelled itself outward in a massive explosion. That explosion is what we call the Big Bang. But it was actually the Big Bounce. Now, this sounds like a cool story, right? Bro, we are a bouncing ball. But where is the proof? That is the before Big Bang quantum gravity bounce theory's 2025 Christmas gift. The Simons Observatory in Chile just finished its deep scan of the cosmic microwave background polarization. They were looking for gravitational waves from the Big Bang, but they found something else. They found concentric circles. Roger Penrose predicted this years ago, CCC theory, but nobody believed him. Now the 2025 data backs it up. These circles are shockwaves. Imagine two massive black holes colliding in the previous universe. They release so much energy that it ripples the fabric of space-time. Then the universe collapses. It dies, it bounces. But the ripples survive. The shock wave from the last universe imprinted itself onto the new universe. We are seeing the ghosts of black holes that died 50 billion years ago. We are living in a haunted house, fam. The walls are covered in the graffiti of the civilizations that came before us. If we are living in a recycled universe, do you think aliens from the previous universe could have survived the bounce? Type survivors if you think something made it through. So, if the universe bounces, that means we have to die first. The expansion's gonna stop. Gravity's gonna win. Let's simulate the Big Crunch. The moment before the Big Bang. The galaxies stop moving away. They start rushing toward us. The night sky isn't black anymore. It's filled with light. Billions of galaxies are crashing into the Milky Way. The temperature rises 100 degrees, 1,000 degrees. The oceans boil. The atmosphere burns off. But you don't die yet. You watch the sky turn into a solid wall of fire. Matter is crushed. Stars are ground into dust. Then, atoms are crushed. You are now just pure energy, squeezed into a space smaller than a proton. The pressure is infinite. The claustrophobia is absolute. You are trapped with the soul of every living thing that ever existed, squeezed into a single point. And then, the quantum gravity kicks in. The atoms of space scream, "No more!" Boom. The bounce happens. You are scattered. You become the hydrogen for the next universe. Did you feel that pressure, that thought of being crushed into a dot with everyone else? If that gave you anxiety, hit the like button. Let's hit 75K likes for personal space. Here's the part that keeps me awake at night. The philosophical horror of the before Big Bang quantum gravity bounce theories 2025. If the universe bounces, and if physics is deterministic, does it bounce the exact same way every time? Nietzsche called this eternal recurrence. It means this isn't the first time you've watched this video. You have watched me say these words 1,000,000,000,000 times before, and you will watch it 1,000,000,000,000 times again. You will live your life, make your mistakes, feel your pain, and die over and over, forever. We are trapped in a DVD that is on repeat. Unless quantum mechanics adds a little bit of randomness, a little bit of chaos. Maybe in the next universe, you subscribed sooner. Maybe in the next universe, you didn't date your ex. We can only hope for a glitch in the bounce. Listen, I don't know if we are in loop number 1 or loop number 1,000,000, but I know that right now, in this loop, we are the #1 space horror channel on Earth. The before Big Bang quantum gravity bounce theories, 2025, just changed everything. Go eat your Christmas dinner. Hug your family. Because in 100 billion years, we're gonna get crushed. I'm Galactic Boss. The loop continues. Stay paranoid.